Okay, last one thing I would like to discuss about a Google spreadsheet. That is about a managing a Google spreadsheet. Okay, first we have to rename this spreadsheet. For example, here untitled spreadsheet, it is the given name. I would like to rename that one. Okay, you can click here itself to rename, or we can go to file and select rename. Both are same. Rename like demo. Okay, we have been renamed. Once you have been renamed, for example, if you like to share this document with your teammates or colleague, what you can do, go to file, share option is there. Similarly, how you are going to share your docs, same way we can share with your teammates. You can select their Gmail ID, and you can say that what kind of things they can do. They can only view the document, or they can comment on that, or they can also edit the document based on your permission, what kind of permission you are giving to your others with whom you have been shared this particular document, and you can write some message related to that one. Okay, then you can say send. Okay, this is about a sharing a document, or you can copy the link and you can share that link with any of the messaging platform. Then it comes to a new document. If you like to work on a new document, we can go to new and open from a template or spreadsheet. New spreadsheet you can open, or open existing one. If it is there in a drive, you can use here, or import from anywhere from other location, like in your computer or somewhere. You can import or make a copy, in a sense one is a original, one is a duplicate. You can make a copy and you can give a name for that, and you can save it in your drive. Okay, and next will be a send this document as a email. Okay, you with which email you would like to share. You have to give that email address to whom you are sending this particular uh, document as a attachment. You can attach for a email. Then download this particular document by using a in the format of Excel format, or PDF format, or web page format. These any of the format, CSV format, any format as per your requirement, you can download in that particular format. Entire document can be downloaded in that particular format, and make available offline. This particular option will useful when you are doesn't have a internet. Also, you can able to access the you will be able to open this particular document, and you can able to work on the document. If you're selecting this particular option, make available offline. Version histories are nothing but what are the things you have been done so far. You can able to see that by using a version history. Okay, when it is created, where all those things. And when it comes to a rename, we already discussed. Move is nothing but to move to the particular folder in your Google Drive. Okay, you can select one particular folder where you would like to save this particular document. It will be moved to that particular folder. And move to this trash is nothing but deleting entire document. Then last one is about a print. You can take a print of the sheets which have been created. Okay, you can take a current sheet or entire workbook. Also, you can take a print of entire workbook, which are the sheet you have been created. You can select the paper size, and the orientation. You can say portrait or landscape orientation. Okay, about a print. And if you connected any printer, you can directly you can give next and you can print there. Okay, this is about a printing a document and managing a document. And this is all about a Google sheet. How to create a data, we learn about creating a data, managing a data, using a formula, formatting, alignment. Okay, lookup formula, logical formulas, conditional formatting, sort and filter, validation, and splitting a data, duplicate remover, grouping a data, pivot. Then we have been inserting a comment or a link, this note, and creating a link. Okay, creating a link and freezing a pane, creating a charts. Okay, and a pivot table. Then we have been learned about to find and replace. All these topics have been learned. If you have skipped any of the topic, you can go back to that particular video with that particular name and you can practice again. Okay, this is about a Google spreadsheet or Google Sheets.